Well, good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna say good morning, Chai. Good morning to your aunties and uncles. Why are you shivering? So I wanted to come on here and close out this vlog and also give you guys a bit of an explanation of what really happened on this trip. Honestly, getting here was pretty good, pretty easy with Chai, pretty doable with Chai. What was quite unfortunate was that I got a little sick where my stomach was just in knots and felt nauseous and some heartburn and just a bunch of things that was happening all at once, and that really kind of ruined the mood at the end of the trip. So a lot of things that we wanted to get done, still glad you're here. A lot of things that we wanted to do on this trip, a lot of things that I wanted to do on this trip, a lot of content that I wanted to make on this trip, I wasn't able to make. But you know what? Everything happens for a reason. And then sometimes, you know, sometimes we have great content days and sometimes we don't. All in all, it was a really good trip. I slept a lot on this trip. Yesterday, for the entire day, I wasn't feeling well, so we just stayed in bed and hung out with Chai, and I slept for majority of the day. I'm checking. Okay. That in itself is a blessing to be able to do. So I am happy. I am happy that I was able to get some rest. But all in all, it was a pretty good trip. We're all packed up. We're in the lobby currently grabbing some breakfast. Well, I'm just drinking tea because I cannot afford to have any stomach issues on the road. Last night was also very, very nice. You guys would have seen that we went to see the light festival, which I had hoped that Chai would have enjoyed a little bit more since she loves looking out the window so much. So Chai is over this. She is taking a nap. She's not interested in the light at all. This is what she wants to do. Melissa bought her this cute little baby blanket, her pink bow, and she's wearing her pink sweater. Sorry. She looked at me and so she spinning her hair like my mom and said, whoa, she did this. She was like,
shut up, first.
like, shut up.
Why are you hyping this up?
Right, why are you hyping this up? But look. Look, Chai. Look at that. Whoa. Anyways, you guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like. Hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog. I was not going to vlog today, but Paul insisted. So here we are. We're about to have dinner. It's a late start this year. Normally we've opened gifts since morning, but everybody came a little late today, so we have a late start, but that's okay. We're about to pray over dinner, so let's get started.
Alright, so God, we thank you for this day. Thank you for family. We thank you for peace. Thank you for journeying mercies. And we thank you for just the love amongst us.
So on the menu we have some jollof rice, fried chicken, baked ziti, ooh, honey, but pineapple honey glazed ham, roast beef.
Is this just like fried rice?
Shrimp. Yeah. Shrimp and green beans. Plates on the side.
How many sauce?
sent off the message. Okay, cool. Why'd you get so much food?
Because I'm gonna eat and then stop, and then I can always come back to it.
You eat them food, man.
Angie. I don't hear nobody tell you food tastes good.
I did.
did.
Food is excellent. Me say the food tastes, even if I can't eat it, the food tastes good.
I did.
It's time! Let's do this! Hello!
Alright, we're here.
Waiting for Paul, man.
Cool. We gotta hear how it sounds.
Hook the keyboards too. Play the keyboards.
Oh, Miss Cutie, watch out the food behind you before you charge up yourself and get your clothes. Alright, let me see your clothes.
This is the only lead. I'm up 2-0 already. Lead I'm gonna have.
You leading?
I'm leading 2-0. Because I knew that was mine. I didn't know this. I just picked this up. This one is mine
Yeah.
from Naomi.
Ooh, LSU.
LSU. Oh, that's nice.
Nice. That's nice.
Alright.
Clayton to Naomi.
Number one. One gift so far, right?
Yeah.
She's so excited. She looks like child. Let's see where you're trying to get the energy from.
Right?
This is from Clayton to Mary?
Yeah. It's actually a really cute gift. It's like there's little cute decor on it.
That's
Okay, okay.
Very cute. I like this. Thank you. To Melissa from me.
Alright. This feels heavy. Are you allergic to dogs? Oh, this is nice. I love the bottle.
Is that whiskey?
This
Yeah,
is
whiskey.
bourbon whiskey finished in port cask.
How
Wow.
old is it?
2010.
Okay.
Family owned small.
This is nice. Thank you.
Bottle too.
This is nice. It is a limited release.
Exactly.
Oh, need this.
What is it?
We know. It may not be
Open
what
the door?
No, it is.
Yeah, guys, you gotta put that over.
It's a digital wall clock.
Nice.
Thank you.
Very, very nice.
Thank you.
Ooh, big one. That's a big one.
Support from Antia. Woo! Let's go. Oh, black. Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
So the part.
This is nice. There you go.
Very nice.
Drum set,
That's
nice.
cool. What you get, Mom?
I have no idea. Rapid people don't idea.
What is that? Okay.
Thank you, my husband. Let me put it
Wow.
on.
It's like a little mini rope
What my God already? 1, 2.
from Michaela and Peter to Naomi. Rip it.
My time. Come.
See
I
the
wanted to
box?
rest it on
Supposed to be
something.
Oh.
Oh my God. Green tea. She got some green tea.
Right?
Cute.
I like it already.
Ooh, more than one.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Oversized.
This is nice.
Yes, I love that.
I like
Let's see
this.
the other one.
I like the plaid.
Is that flannel?
Yeah.
Oh, I got two.
Oh, very nice.
Aw, very nice.
Very,
neutral
very, very
colors.
nice.
You're on the treat in 2 seconds.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice. So you have the CEO man, the oud, the club man, and the goat man. That's nice.
Oh.
What is it? What is it? Woo! The hydroponic system. Now everybody's growing. Everybody's growing something this year.
Who's next is Michaela from Angia again.
Woo!
Thank you.
Melissa from Clayton.
swearing iron.
I did like swearing iron.
Yeah.
I just had it. Oh, to Andre from Mom. This one little thing where you like put it?
No.
What's this?
What's
Oh,
very nice.
Michaela was just saying I needed one of these.
What is that?
Whoa.
To make sure it fits.
Whoa.
Who's
Who's
that
next?
box? That's a good box.
Who's next?
All right. To Bartender Cool Skull from the Duntons.
Adrian, Justin.
Let's clean it up this year.
Right?
Do I taste good?
Listen, I can't promise.
Oh, it's a partner.
Wow.
That's really nice. Wow, it's heavy too.
It's a bar knife.
Oh,
It's for me. Look at the wrapping. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I like that color. I like that color. We wish you. See you old.
Kayla and Peter to Miss Cutie.
Thank you. It is pretty.
Wow.
Look how Chad looking at me. I love the flannel.
More
flannels.
Oh, this is a heavy flannel.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice
This
one.
is a nice
The white
flannel.
stuff is the snow from a.
Andre from me.
Oh, hey.
Rip it.
Anything on the list, I'm going to be very happy for.
Ooh, that come from?
Hey, we'll just give you one we know you're familiar with. That's a nice strap.
What is it?
It's a
Guitar shop?
yeah.
Ah, this feels nice.
Wow. Oh wow, that's real nice actually.
Start charging the church for
Right?
That's the official.
Right?
That's it for your wish list.
Yeah.
Next is to Mom from Naomi.
The housewarming was so much coffee. What is it?
What is it?
It's
Nike switch up.
sparkly.
Yep, so Nike switch
I'm
up.
just gonna wear this for special occasion because it's small, so to
Yeah.
breathe. That first one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's to you from me.
Oh.
Start. We're going started. This is from Motul.
For me. To Naomi. Well, yeah.
Tear it up.
Rip it.
This is like
I
a whole
like
list
this
of
box.
Reeboks.
I like this box.
That's what you need?
Oh, that's for me.
Oh, wait. What is it? Hey.
Ah!
That's the one that you're up. That's the one that you're up on the
On the wish list. Period. Oh my god.
What's it compared to that?
Wow. Those are nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boy, yo, calm down. Oi, 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 oi.
So in all fairness, I got you this first.
The watch?
Watch no. Yeah. Every day watch, work watch, yard watch, yard watch.
Not bad.
Listen, Jay, from Mom.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, and the perfume.
Very nice.
Okay, next to Angia from me.
Whoa.
What next gift?
Whoa.
Let me go for it. I didn't remember what it
Oh,
What is
right
that?
one.
Yeah.
But this
What
one
is it?
inside.
Wow.
That's why.
Italy. Oh.
I always take a few more and wear it.
Right.
So warm and nice.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
I asked her this. I tell him
Yeah.
I want one.
I'm next. Me.
Naomi.
Yep,
Me?
from Mom.
Let's go!
From Mama.
What are these over here?
I want to buy her.
Oh, the Brazilian brand.
For sample. Yeah. And then reject it. I'm going to buy it.
Hold the gun.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Put it on here.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Pistachio.
The company
Vanilla
like
and salted caramel.
To Naomi.
You guys know.
You get a lot of them. Paul, one next to for you.
I know.
Oh.
You have a couple of gifts.
It is a Ralph Lauren. It's a pajama set. Very cute.
Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren. It's very cute. Ralph Lauren is very nice.
That's Ralph Lauren.
Yeah. It's very, very cute.
Fancy.
Nice. Very fancy.
From Naomi.
Oh, for me. Oh, yeah.
Sohos. I have no idea what it is, but I'm gonna find out right now. Oh, I know.
You know?
I know. I know. Because I asked for it.
Yes,
That was a last minute thing.
Yes, you did.
And I'm gonna try it out right now.
What brand is that, regular?
So, wow. It's the, you said you wanted it with a gradient? That's nice.
Yeah, because I used to wear glasses like this.
That's
when I
nice.
was younger.
That's nice. That's nice. You're welcome.
I'm gonna keep these on.
Yeah.
Those are nice.
What is that? Ask me what size.
Actually, know my size.
I'm gonna try these on right now.
Ask me what size here.
I'm gonna try it out right now.
Those are good. Those look real good.
I've never had Chelsea boots. They look nice.
Those are 11, right? 10 and a half.
13.
No, it
Bro,
was
I'm 13.
They're 11.
It's 11 if
Yeah, wow. Those are nice.
Michaela from Naomi.
Hey!
I didn't expect to get it. I didn't.
What do you guys got, Dre?
Oh, they actually got it for you.
That's the bonus.
Yeah, but no.
I thought it was big like the box.
Sister made something. Wow, that's nice.
Oh yeah.
That's real nice.
That's a cool.
Wow.
And the big one.
Pure white Hennessy.
A little citrus. Okay.
It's good.
Good. Quick.
Nicely balanced.
Quick mix.
Is this drink number 2 for mom? What is it?
Pina colada.
Pina colada.